Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a name that's become almost synonymous with cryptocurrency itself, Binance. If you've spent any time in the crypto space, you've definitely heard of it. But what exactly is Binance, and how did it become the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume? Stick around because we're about to break it all down. Let's start with the basics. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, often known as CZ, Binance quickly rose through the ranks. Its success wasn't an accident. From the very beginning, it offered two key things that users craved: a massive variety of cryptocurrencies and incredibly low trading fees. While other exchanges were listing just a handful of major coins, Binance opened the door to a whole universe of altcoins, giving traders access to exciting new projects. This strategy, combined with a powerful trading engine that could handle huge volumes without crashing, made it the go-to platform for both beginners and seasoned pros. But Binance is so much more than just a place to buy and sell crypto. Think of it as a complete ecosystem. You have the Binance Smart Chain, now called BNB Chain, which is a blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications, or dApps, with lower fees than many competitors. This has led to a boom in DeFi projects, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain games, all built on its infrastructure. Then there's Binance Launchpad, which gives users early access to promising new tokens before they hit the open market. They also have staking, savings accounts, and even a crypto debit card that lets you spend your digital assets in the real world. It's this all-in-one approach that keeps users locked into its ecosystem. Of course, a platform this massive needs to prioritize security. Binance employs a range of robust security measures, including two-factor authentication to FA, anti-phishing codes, and a secure asset fund for users, known as SAFU, which is an emergency insurance fund. While no exchange is completely immune to risks and the crypto world has had its share of security challenges, Binance has invested heavily in protecting its users' funds and has a track record of reimbursing users in the rare event of a security breach on their end. As always, though, it's crucial for you to do your part by using strong, unique passwords and enabling all available security features. So, what makes Binance so popular? It's a combination of things. First, its sheer scale. The platform offers unparalleled liquidity, which means you can execute large trades quickly without significantly impacting the market price. Second, the constant innovation. Binance isn't just sitting back. It's always adding new features, listing new assets, and expanding its services from NFT marketplaces to educational resources through the Binance Academy. And third, global accessibility. Despite facing regulatory hurdles in some countries, Binance has made a concerted effort to be available to a worldwide audience, truly embodying the borderless nature of cryptocurrency. It's a powerhouse that has fundamentally shaped the modern crypto landscape. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into Binance. It's a complex and ever-evolving platform, but hopefully, this gives you a clearer picture of why it holds the top spot. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just getting started, understanding the major players like Binance is key. What are your experiences with Binance? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.